to all the viewers out there. In this video, we'll be discussing about IC packages. When I say IC packages, IC means integrated circuits, which are basically fabricated in a plastic mounting for insulation purpose. These ICs are used for various electricals and electronics application. In day-to-day life, we cannot always use basic distinct components such as capacitors, inductors, resistors, right? So, for few specific operation, we'll be using these ICs. There are many types of IC packages. These IC packages are characterized by its own unique dimensions, mounting and pin counts. Based on these three characteristics, we'll be defining on various IC packages. The most common IC packages includes DIP, SMD, SOP, QFD and BGA. In this video, we'll be discussing about each of these IC packages in detail. The first package that is of our interest is DIP package. Here, DIP stands for Dual Inline Package. DIP packages are the most common through-hole IC packages used in circuits. It is used in your hobby projects because you can use this ICs in breadboard and PCBs directly through the hole. That's why it's called as through-hole IC circuits. And this IC has two parallel rows of pins extending perpendicular out of rectangular plastic housing. The overall dimension of the DIP packages depends on the pin count. The most common pin counts are 4, 6, 8, 14, 18, 20, 28 and 40 pins. Okay, and these pins in the DIP ICs are spaced at 2.54 millimeters apart, which is a standard spacing. This spacing is so perfect for the fitting into breadboards and other prototyping boards. The DIP IC can also be easily soldered in PCBs. Sometimes instead of soldering an IC directly to the PCB, an IC socket is used. Using this socket, you can allow these DIP ICs to be removed from and inserted into the PCB easily. So it'll make you better, okay? It'll make you easier to remove it and to insert them using these sockets. Now, these DIP ICs are the basic level IC packages which is available in the market. Now, let's discuss about a package which is used in a commercial basis, okay? And that package is SMD package, wherein SMD stands for Surface Mount Devices. There are variety of surface mount packages which are available in market in the present conditions, okay? So it can be SOP, SOT or QFP. You can use according to your requirement and the applications, and these IC packages usually needs custom PCBs containing a matching pattern of copper on which they are to be soldered. Usually we use a special automated tool in the soldering of these PCBs, and these PCBs are basically used for the manufacturer levels. Next one is SOIC packages. These are small outline IC packages. SOIC package is shorter and narrower than DIP. It is an SMD with all DIP pins bent outwards or shrunk down to the sides, wherein the spacing of these pins are reduced to half of that of the DIP packages, and the spacing here is 1.27 millimeter, which is half of that of 2.54 millimeter which was in DIP. And these packages are basically the packages which is like a hybrid of both DIP as well as SMDs with a much narrower vision, which makes the IC package look more miniature compared to the other packages which we had discussed. Now let's discuss about QFP packages or quad flat packages. We had seen DIP packages, right, in which two sides, there were pins in two sides. which were parallel to each other with certain amount of spacing which was standardized. Wherein in QFPs, okay, we get these ICs with pins in all the four sides of the fabrications. In QFP ICs, we can have pins anywhere from 8 per side to 2 per side. We can have either 8 pin per side or 2 pins per side. Okay. And in case if we happen to have the maximum 8 pin per side, then there are gonna be total of 32 pins, which is like 8 on each side. So 8 into 4 will give us 32. Okay. Since these ICs can accommodate a large number of pins in that, the spacing between these pins should be minimal, right? So the spacing required here is something from 0.4 mm to 1 millimeter apart. When we happen to speak about smaller variant, because we spoke about the higher variant of having 32 pins, when we speak about the smaller variants, there are basically three packages in this. Okay, one is TQFP, which is thin QFPs, and we have VQFP, which is very thin QFP, and then we have low profile QFP, which is also termed as LQFP. And these are the IC packages which has lot many variants, and it can be accessed as per our applications and specifications of whatever platform we are going to use this on. Now let's switch on to quad flat no LEDs packages or QFN packages. This is another QFP IC type, but with a different pin structure. Here you will not find any lids in there. Okay, that's what it is. And pin on QFN packages are exposed on the bottom or sometime on both the sides as well as bottom. So you can have many more pin structures over here. And then there is something called small outline transistors. In these packages, SMT devices such as rectangular transistors are available. These are basically the transistor which will look rectangular in shape, and they are fabricated into the IC structure. The last package under our discussion and which is of our interest is ball grid array. Okay, these are the packages which has advanced ICs in them. They are amazingly intricate packages which has small balls of solder arranged in a 2D grid on the bottom of it. Usually to put these packages onto a PCB, we require an automated procedure involving pick and place machines and reflow ovens. VGA packages are found on few boards which are the advanced board which are used presently, such as PCDuino boards and Raspberry Pi boards. And this package is basically used for all your advanced computation or advanced operation which you can possibly do. And this is our last package. So I guess now you people understood about various packages that are available in market. A better understanding of these packages will help all of you to work in a more efficient, and it increases your proficiency of being a better engineer or a technician. Hope this video helped. Thank you for watching this video, and all the best to become a better technician in life.